Watch us as we celebrate our Jowa anniversary. In case you didn't get it, it's a combined word of Jowa and anniversary. That's when we officially became a couple. Happy anniversary, Yowa, and to infinity and beyond. If I will rank his love languages, his top 1 would be act of service. Princess treatment since forever. Top 2 is quality time. He would do everything just to be with me and spend time with me. His top 3 is words of affirmation. And he would take videos like this while showering me with so much love. And oh, by the way, he really loves my outfit here. He can't stop saying, "Ang ganda mo." Mura lang naman yan, and I would love to share where I bought this to you guys. Kahit whole day kaming nasa labas, hindi ako nainitan kasi sobrang lamig ng tela niya. Anyway, back to his love languages. Top 4 niya is gift giving kasi ako yung mas gift giver. And top 5 is physical touch kasi yun naman yung ayaw ko. Pero sabi niya yun daw yung top 1 na gusto niyang matanggap. I'm so happy that husband and I complement each other. Thanks for watching, guys!